Namaste friends, this video is a review of the most important parts of the grammar that we have learnt till now. I have made this video just to make sure that you don't miss anything before we move ahead. ठीक है? To download the photos that you are going to see next, you can visit my Facebook page that is called The Hindi Tutorials. ठीक है? So let's start. Here we see मैं हूँ, the very simplest. मैं हूँ means I am. Then the next is तू है, the most informal way of saying you are. ये है, which means this is. We can use it for he or she is if someone is standing closer. वो है, which means that is, also for he or she if someone is standing a bit far. तुम हो, it's a bit more formal than तू है. It is usually used with the people of similar age group. The next is आप हैं. It's the most formal way to say you are. हैं is the word used for plural, but in Hindi, use of plurals even for a single person signifies more respect. That's why we say आप हैं. Now coming to plurals, हम हैं is we are, ये हैं is these are, वो हैं is those are. Well, the word is way in spelling, but in normal language we pronounce it वो. ठीक है? The next word is तुम हो for plural, that is you plural are. To differentiate singular from plural, we use तुम लोग हो in the case of plural. लोग literally means people. So when we say तुम लोग हो, तुम लोग कौन हो, तुम लोग कैसे हो, तुम लोग बच्चे हो, we just mean that we are talking about more than one person. ठीक है? Now the next is आप लोग हैं, more formal. ठीक है? Now here we can see the whole summary of what we have learned. We see that in the green color I have written मैं हूँ. In the red color I've written तुम हो, be it singular or plural. हो comes with तुम always. And here we see हैं used in all the plural cases and the formal cases, because as I told you, in Hindi usage of plural signifies formal, and in the singular and informal cases we have used है, because है is used for singular and informal, while हैं is used for plural and formal. ठीक है? Now here you see a revision of tutorial number 23, in which we learned 3 types of words: words ending with a, words ending with a, and words ending with e. The possessive pronouns, adjective, and even verbs that end with a longer e sound, that is मेरी, कैसी, आपकी, अच्छी, etc., are used with female nouns. मेरी दुकान, which means my shop. ये मेरी दुकान है, this is my shop. दुकान is a female word, that's why we use मेरी. आपकी गाड़ी, your car or your vehicle. ठीक है? ये आपकी गाड़ी है, this is your car. Asking an elderly woman or asking a woman with more respect, आप कैसी हैं? ठीक है? And asking a girl of similar age or a woman of similar age group, we ask तुम कैसी हो? Okay? So be it singular, be it plural, be it formal or informal, in all the female cases we use the words ending with e. Now the next case is the words that end with a. A is used with masculine words that are singular or informal. तू मेरा भाई है, you are my brother. तू कैसा है, how are you, asking a male person informally. तू कैसा है. तेरा कुत्ता, your dog. कुत्ता male singular. ये एक अच्छा सेब है, अच्छा सेब, a good apple. Seb is a male word and here we are talking about singular, that's why acha. And for plural male words, the adjective and possessive pronouns end with the a sound, like mere bacche, my kids, mere papa. Now here mere papa does not, obviously does not mean that there are more than one dads. We are rather using a plural word for papa just to show respect towards him. Again, I'll say in Hindi, using plural form is equal to showing more respect. So, ye mere papa is obviously singular, he is my father. It does not mean they are my fathers. Okay? Although the sentence is completely in plural, but it is for a single person. Okay? आप कैसे हैं. Again, a plural sentence for a singular person, but because it is formal, we are using the plural forms. ठीक है. मेरे दोस्त अच्छे हैं. My friends are good. ठीक है. अच्छे दोस्त. So here, because of plural, we have used mere and अच्छे. So now you have seen that in the case of plural and formal masculine words, we use adjectives and possessives ending with a. ठीक है. So this is it. Please save these notes, write it anywhere, download the photos, take the screenshots, do anything. But these rules on these things will be useful for you in the whole learning of Hindi. I'll be soon back with more new content, more new vocabulary and some new grammar. ठीक है, फिर मिलेंगे. नमस्ते.